Hi, Todd Martin here with the Walking Code. In this video, we're going to work on a very subtle exercise using the upper part of the core, and we're going to do this using the stairs behind me. Go ahead and stand on the first stair and bring your left foot up and place it on the stair behind you. Make sure you have a vertical posture with your pelvis tucked, eyes gazing forward, not leaning forward. And I want you to practice trying to lift your left hip up. And what you should notice is if you don't do anything with the upper part of your core, your knee is going to stay flexed and your foot is still going to stay behind the body. It's not going to swing forward as if you were getting ready to walk down or step down to the next step. What we need to do to bring the leg forward is actually rotating the upper part of our core, and that's going to swing the leg forward. So it's not an action from the leg that's doing it, it's an action from the upper core rotation. So I want you to see if you can feel that. Stand in your balanced position and bring your leg forward, and notice how you're using your upper part of your core. Now you're forward on the left side of the upper core to bring that leg forward. When my leg is back, I'm forward on the right side of the core. So right side forward, left side forward. Now I'm ready to extend the hip and step down the stair in a very smooth and controlled fashion with very little or no impact. Let's do that exercise again. I'm going to use the upper part of my core to bring the leg forward, and then now I'm going to extend my hip and tuck my pelvis on the left side to bring my ball of the foot to the ground. Then I'm going to flex my right hip to lower the heel to the ground. Now I'm ready to step off in a normal step.